National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Iroquois County and east central Illinois, Benton County and northwest Indiana until 5 o'clock a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 4 o'clock a.m. At 3:02 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Milford, or near Stockland, and moving east at 55 miles per hour. Locations affected include Stockland, Freeland Park, Dunnington, Dalbert, Fowler, Wadena, Lodgehill, Barse, Atkinson, Templeton, Otterbein, Boswell, Oxford, MBA, and Earl Park. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.